Oh, and I'm going to show you how to make laser sound effects with a slinky and a shelf. So what you have to do is take your slinky and go to a shelf or some solid overhang. Make sure it's solid and flat, and then you just slide the slinky onto there, and you get really cool laser sound effects. What the heck? Yeah, you get really cool laser sound effects. Yeah, you just hit the hey, stop! Lasers are going crazy. You just get really cool laser sound effects when you flick it. So that pretty much ends the video. So yeah, goodbye.